ASUS Zenfone 5 just made its first official appearance at MWC, and aside from over-enthusiastic claims about its AI prowess, it's still a solid little machine. It isn't a flagship-level powerhouse though, which is why ASUS cooked the Zenfone 5Z. It uses the exact same body as the more affordable Zenfone 5. The Zenfone 5Z features the latest Snapdragon chipset, intelligent dual cameras, and a massive 6.2-inch display that still fits into a form factor you would expect from a traditional 5.5-inch handset. On the design front, it appears to essentially rock the same looks as its less powerful brothers. It has Snapdragon 845 processor and Adreno 630 GPU, also the 8 or 6 or 4 GB RAM options. ASUS make possible the big screen and little body. The 6.2-inch Full HD Plus display offers up a 19:9 aspect ratio, instead of the more standard 18:9 coming from many other tall display Android phones. The Zenfone 5Z has two 5-magnet stereo speakers driven by dual amplifiers to ensure maximum volume while reportedly protecting them from damage with its built-in smart technology. The Zenfone 5Z also supports high-res audio files encoded at up to 24-bit of 192K Hz sample rates and supports DTS headphone necks for 7.2-channel virtual surround sound when using headphones. It's no surprise to see a dual-camera configuration on the Zenfone 5Z. The main camera is a 12-megapixel shooter with a Sony IMX363 processor, with an f1.8 aperture and 83-degree field of view. The second camera offers a 200-degree field of view. Up front you'll find a pretty standard 8MP shooter. It has 3300 mAh battery and fast battery charging with 9 volts 2 ampere. The last thing about the price is $499.